Hello everyone, I'm Sabrina and right now I'm an intern in GMCH, that is Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. My final exam results came out recently. I have just started my internship recently and today I don't know if it's brave enough or stupid enough to do this, but I want to tell you that I just got my mark sheet. So wait. I have shared with you in this channel one of the most difficult phase of my life, that is final MB exams, and I have shared with you my study schedule, how I studied. I made study vlogs. You have watched it, and thank you. So today I thought, since I have shared my study journey, maybe I should share the results of it too. But let me tell you one thing: I am not a topper. I have scored average marks. Don't keep too many expectations from me. And we had four subjects: medicine, surgery, OBG, that is obstetrics and gynecology, and pediatrics. We had seven papers, two each of medicine, surgery, OBGY, and one of pediatrics, and the practical marks as well. Let's start reviewing my mark sheet. I have not reviewed my mark sheet myself yet, so this is kind of a reaction video too. First comes medicine theory marks. So I got, yeah, so my paper one went well. I think, yeah, I did well. I was happy only after paper one, and paper two I did not do that well, but let's see. In medicine paper one, I got 75 out of 100. I think that's nice. 70 plus is nice. For me, 70 plus is a lot. And in paper 2, I got 69. So, theory in total, I got 144 out of 200. I think it's nice. I started studying only from November, December. I studied only 3 to 4 months, and this is a lot for me. Okay, but in practicals, I did not do much well. I got only 130 out of 200 in practicals. So my total comes out to be 274 out of 400. Thing is, I never do good in practicals. I get so nervous and I just do some mistakes, and always my practicals always go bad. But still, I 130, I think it's too less. My medicine practical was not that bad. The long case went well, but still, what can I do? Okay, then comes surgery. So surgery, it was, oh my god, let me tell you, surgery for paper one, we did not have much syllabus, but for paper two, everything was included. If you have watched the video during my surgery exam, you will know that there were so many topics in paper two. Oh my god, I still remember that night of paper two, and it was literally traumatized. I thought I will not be able to even pass that exam, but I passed since I'm here doing my internship. So yes, I passed, but let me see how much I scored. So paper one, as I thought, it went okay, but I was not expecting this much marks in paper one. In paper one, let me tell you, I got 84. Okay, this is a lot. I think I never scored 84 in any paper till now in MBBS, and this is a lot. But in paper 2, I got less marks, but I passed with good marks only. It's 60 out of 100 in paper 2. I think it's nice. 60 is a lot. I did so bad in paper 2. The long question was of salivary gland, and I did not study it properly. So this is nice for me. And in practicals, again, I got only 126 out of 200. I don't know why I score so less in practicals. It's so bad when I think about it. I mess up so much during my practicals. I forget things during my practicals, and my luck never works during my practicals. I always get the things that I did not study. Then obstetrics and gynecology. Obstetrics and gynecology, paper 1 is obstetrics and paper 2 is gynecology. As I remember, paper 1 was well, but yeah, I missed a 3-mark questions from obstetrics. I remember I was crying that night. And gynecology was also well, but there was a confusion after exam that I might have written something 5 marks really wrong, but comes my results, I did not fail again. So obstetrics paper, that is paper 1, I scored 80. out of 100. Thank you. It is a lot for me again. And in gynecology, I scored 78. My total comes out to be 158 out of 200 in obstetrics and gynecology theory paper. But again, in practicals, I did not score well. But I remember my long case was well, but PG seniors told me that the teacher who took my long case, she really gives us average marks. Like, even if I did well, even though I answered everything, she gave me around 33 out of 60 something in my long case. So at that time, I knew I was sad, but what can I do again? It's my luck. It's always bad. So in obstetrics and gynecology practical exams, I scored 140 out of 200, and my total came out to be 298 out of 400. Do you know what this means? Because of 2 marks, I did not get honors. If I got 2 marks more in my practicals, like if I would have gotten 142 in my practicals, it would have been 300. I would have gotten honors in obstetrics and gynecology, but what can I do now? Maybe I should have scored 2 marks more in theory. Maybe if I would not have missed the 3 marks of obstetrics, maybe I would have gotten. But it's okay. Now we are in internship. I will not get sad over this. Definitely not. Last come the pediatrics. Like in my study vlogs, maybe all of you have seen I always, even my friends tell me that they always see me studying pediatrics. I was so scared of pediatrics. And my pediatrics exam did not go that well. In theory, I did a mistake. I know in the differentials, I wrote something else. I should have written VSD, but I wrote something else. I was worried that I may not pass because it was a 10 marks question. I think it's okay. I scored 62 out of 100 in the theory paper, and practicals again they did not give us that much marks. I got 65 out of 100, that is totaling to 127 out of 200. My grand total came out to be 969 out of 1400. I think if I exclude my practical marks, I did well in my theory exams, but practicals I did not do well. Any of my junior is watching this, I would suggest you study for your practicals properly, or else you'll regret like me for not studying for practicals. Anyway, there's nothing to regret. Once you reach internship, everything is same. Every one of us is doing the same things, and now let's look forward to another journey, that is we have to appear for NEET PG. I did not start my preparation yet. Yeah, I know I should have started, but I did not. Soon, maybe I'll start my preparation for NEET PG, and yeah, I'll definitely share videos. Then I'll definitely share study vlogs. Anyway, we have to do 1 year rural service, so even if we do crack NEET PG next year, we cannot join any college because we have 1 year compulsory rural service here. I think that was it. So thank you for watching. If you have watched till here, if you have any question regarding how to study, what to study, do let me know in the comments. I will surely soon make a video of how to study in final year MBBS, because I just appeared for my final MBBS exams, and as a senior or a sister, I think I should let you know how you should start your preparation for your exam. If you're an average student like me who likes to procrastinate, because let's be honest, I'm not a perfect student. I procrastinate a lot. I started studying for November or December. Truth be told, it's mostly December, not November. I thought about studying the whole year, but I was not able to start studying, and I really did study from December. And even though the proper studying began only after my pre-finals. So that was it, I guess. If you have any questions, mention in the comment sections, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.